Hello, you beautiful people. So today I have created another celebrity inspired makeup look. This look is inspired by Kareena Kapoor Khan. So without now wasting any more time, let's begin to see how we got this particular makeup look. I'm going to start off by using the Isadora Protect Face Primer SPF 30 Isadora. I personally like this primer way too much. It's very creamy in the consistency. It's very highly moisturizing on the skin. It also gives you dewiness onto your face and also fill in your pores really very nicely. Very blendable formula and look really nice on the skin and keep your makeup stay for all day long. Here I'm using the Cover Up foundation and concealer by Isadora in the shade of 66 Almond. I really like this foundation very much, and for this particular look it is an apt formula. And here with the help of my Damn Beauty sponge, I'm gonna dot it all over. I'm gonna just spread it everywhere on my skin and also making sure I blend underneath my eyes and also taking down to my neck. And after this I'm going to be using a concealer. This is a LA Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the shade of Pure Beige. I'm just going to be applying with the help of my ring finger. I personally feel that ring fingers apply your concealer way too much than a brush. This is my own preference, but in case you want to apply it with brush, you can definitely do that, and a lot of time even I do and am blending with my beauty blender. Next I'm going to be using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. This is one of my favorite palette of all times because it has everything. So I'm going to pick these three colors and I'm just going to be putting this underneath my eyes to set the concealer that I've just applied underneath my eyes. It is very finely milled powder, and I think this concoction has made the look go very nice and poppy underneath my eyes. I'm just going to take my time and use very light pressure while I'm applying this. After this I'm going to be using the Plum Kajal and have that intense black color to it. I have to tell you that I'm not going to be taking the color directly on my eyes. I am not looking for a very harsh look here. So we are going very soft and making sure that everything is blended really nicely, and we are going to be flicking everything with the help of the brush. Take your time in this because you do not want that the color should go anywhere else rather than just putting on the concerned area. Here I'm just going to be using these four colors from the NYX palette, and according to the skin that she has in the picture that you can see in the thumbnail, you will see that the most of the skin is extremely bronzed, and I'm just going to bronze up my face really very nicely. And the colors that I've taken from this NYX palette have come out very pigmented, so make sure you use very light by light and then you can build later. Here for my eyebrows I'm going to be using the Colourpop eyebrow gel. As far as the look that we are imitating, I could see very clearly she had almost nothing on her eyebrows, but the eyebrows were very much intact and it was not moving any place whatsoever. And here I'm using the Ferenco's eyebrow tattoo precision pen in the color of dark brown. This is how it looks like from inside. When I looked at the look very closely, she did not thread her eyebrows whatsoever, so I'm just gonna keep the color and make sure that it looks somewhat like her own eyebrows. And here I'm just picking the highlighting shade from the NYX palette. I'm gonna put this highlighting shade on the highest point of my face, that is my cheekbones, underneath my eyes, on my temples, and also going to be making sure that my chin is very much highlighted because her chin was highlighted way too much. I'm here using the Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion lipstick in the shade of Burst the Bubble, and I'm going to be applying this on my lips only in dabbing form. I'm not going to put the color directly on my lips. And here I'm using the Colorbar Diamond Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade of Sunburn, and I'm going to apply this lip gloss all over my lips. After this I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara all over my lashes and just complete the look by using this all over my lashes. And this is somewhat how this look turned out to be. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this particular video. If you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care and stay home. Bye bye. Love.